Good afternoon, DJ. It's Tuesday, July 15th. The time is currently 1:16 p.m. PM session. We on you. All right, let's get into it. Just arrived at my desk. I'll say I arrived at my desk at like 1:15. Okay. As always, my weekly target is 5% and my daily target is $500. Mental check-in. Um, Feeling a little bit better than I was this morning and after this morning session. All right. Going into this PM session on a lighter note. Okay. Just trying to forget everything that happened this morning and just paying attention to what I need to pay attention to and just keeping my focus on where it needs to be. Going into this PM session, I'm not gonna take any time. We're gonna tape read the PM session just because I already met all the criteria. I've hit my one winning trade on that one account and I've hit my max loss on the other account. So not much to do. All right. The most important thing is to trade for tomorrow. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a breather here on this next PM session just to just sit on that on what happened this morning. Okay, because I broke a lot of rules. So I wanna just, sit on it and just let it sink in and then move on from it. But anyway, I'm excited to see what PM session has in store for us today. I'm excited to grow and get 1% better. All right. News, no news this PM session, but we've had news today, okay? Still making it an optimal day to take a trade. No need to determine risk because no trade will be getting in. All right, weekly program is a buy program. Nothing's really happened in price since we've been away. All right, to change my weekly program for me. I'm like to even if something had happened, right? I'll still would be sticking into the weekly program, but because dollar is pushing up, all right, I'm anticipating that MNQ will keep going lower. So so we blew through that. Blew through that. Head into premium of 60-day look back. I said if we depend on how price behaves in here, next row will be this liquidity into this inefficiency here. So potentially dollar's going higher, so and MNQ should be going lower, but obviously I'm looking at the bigger picture and overall higher time frame. So but I'm paying attention to, I'm paying attention. I'm seeing. But for now, okay, at my current understanding of price action, nothing's really happened to change my weekly program. So still in a buy program. Let's go ahead and leave the AM session low and proceed. The high is different. Low is different. And retain has got its own things. So let's go ahead and do this thing all day. So we're not even tempted to do anything anywhere. And let's get on with our tape reading session. Oh, yeah, the trade I was in before we got out of here this morning, which I had it at -4 to come out of the one contract I go in. Obviously I snapped back into my senses because obviously I was doing too much and ended up closing the trade somewhere here and just being done for the day because I was just like on a downturn really and truly. So yeah, ended up closing it here, making back. Oh, let me go back and making back just a little bit of the drawdown. It was at 640 something. All right, 640 something. So made 100 bucks, 100 bucks. A little bit, a little some, all right. Just to bring the drawdown back down a little bit. Okay, so but I'm good with it. Where is that here? All right, I live to fight another day tomorrow. So just wanted to touch base with you on that, DJ, before we go into this PM session. We move, goddamn, we move. 10 a.m., 12 p.m. Uh-oh. What's the trade? Gave us -3, then came to take you out. I break even. Yeah, solid stuff. Ah, 1150 macro. Okay. High is currently AM session open range buy side. Low, we're looking at 1045. Dealing range, we broke out a dealing range to the downside here. Taking AM session sell side. Nice little buy here. We're back in that. So I guess we'll be paying attention to that going into PM session. But let's adjust dealing range. Set. You go ahead. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, okay. I thought I closed it. Sorry. Panic there. God, come on. Really? What the hell kind of foolishness is this? Hold on, give me a second here. PM session kicking off. I'm so happy and pleased that I snapped out my senses and closed the trade, because waiting for -4, it would have never hit, and it would have come and taken me out at break even, and I would have given up my unrealized gains there. So very happy about that, I should say. Two, three. Three. In discount. One comes off here. And take two off there. Then one. -1, smashed. Here would be a break even, or will be a break even. Here for low probability trades and counter trend trades, I'll take one of two, because I want to be in and out of those. And then it will go there and that. So okay, cool. So that'll be something off, risk stays. Then 2 comes off here, move to break even. So that will be giving me 3 here, 4, 5. I guess instead of -4, I'll just be terminus now would be a -3 until I can add more contracts. Great, great. I like that better. I like it. -2, smash there. Stop would now be above, to cover commission. To cover commission, now is officially a risk-free trade. I want to. Cool. Solid stuff. Right off the bat with it, PM session. Woo. And this will be my PM session done. And like this morning, that would be my morning session done. Okay. Cool. Life is all about living and learning, man. If you're not learning, you're dying. You're dying a slow death, death by 1,000 cuts. So this will be terminus now with my current, with my adjusted management. You ain't getting that plausible deniability yet. Oh, this here from Asia, 50 was a 15-minute already. 15-minute sell here during Asia. Once we took that high here, made this an inversion fair value gap. So I want to see price stay above this. So until this low goes, right? I'm anticipating higher pricing. Paying attention to price action, and what it wants, what it's telling me. So 4 hour, we're in still buy. Came inside it, took liquidity, give you an opportunity here and give you another opportunity here. And the trade for Monday morning, -3. Could be a one short, one kill type thing right there. But let's see. Wee! Oi! 12 p.m. 12:45. Okay. Yeah, break even. Still on a discount. Begin taking out a break even. Break even moves up to here. Okay, still would be in there, so maybe I can move it up to here next phase. Like I said, I don't want to be too quick to move my stuff, but I do want to take money out when it allows me. Next trading opportunity after that trade, right, would be now post as early as post 2 p.m. but really I'm waiting for post 2:15. Fifty macro. Rather the trade brief than don't take nothing off here. Keep it on it. Stock of commission and Tim. Now. Oh, actually. Yep, now. Maybe. -3 again hit on that initial trade there at 130. So now that would be a break even. And here would be taking nothing off and that break even. Yeah, I can mess with that. And this will end up coming taking me out the trade prematurely. Yeah, giving it room to breathe, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Oh. Something coming off here. It's about price currently. We have lunch session confirmed on the 15-minute, and we have AM session buy side for 15-minute and 1 hour. Here. Oh, didn't get to close an open range gap, so there's signs of strength there. Sexy trade. Negative. Yep, -4 getting smashed and -3 on this trade getting smashed there. Just chill. About controlling myself, getting control and mastering myself. Okay, that is the real task here at hand. That is the real task here at hand. That's also do. We want plausible deniability. Well, we don't have it here. We do have it here though. -4, -5. Sure saying you don't need to worry, baby girl. You don't need to stress. With me by your side. Yeah, good. Hoochie poochie. Leave all your fears always with me. Oh, lunch is about to be confirmed on 1 hour here. South side is currently good. We'll be looking at 1 p.m. candle on 1 hour time frame. Let's go 15 seconds. Grabbing lunch on the 1 hour now. -6, -6. Two, 3 as early as 2, but really you're waiting for 2:15. On the premium, so it's anticipated. Oh, counter trade. We're looking at something off, something off. Break even. I don't want to give those trades room to breathe within drilling. Take this buy side. Want to see if this keeps price high enough. Two, three, four. Last candle involved in a Ferrari gap there. Go 15-second sell. Let's see if this keeps price higher. We are getting a sell here. 2, 3. Buying premium. We have a sell on premium, so which is president the pro trend trade, which is outside of his zone. Oh, the counter trend trade in its zone, right? Questions that need answers. Let's see which one wins. Looking like pro trend trades for the win. Averages can be to -7. Taking open range, dealing range, open range buy side for the PM session. Nothing on -7 here, but let's pay attention. We are on premium, so we could potentially get a sell. Two, three, four. Oh, the bar trade on now. I have to dig that deep for the fair value gap. I don't want to trade that. And I'm fine with letting that one, something like that go without me. Two, three, four. Protect in there. Oh, on my elbow. All right, you'd be taking out that. So now let me see this keep price higher. This will still be in effect here because your stop would be here. I'm gonna clock out here soon. Let's see what. I would say to 250. Yeah, we'll see what 250 macro has in store. Be taking something off here. Risk will be remaining. It's a counter trend trade, so would be taking something off here as well. Would be moving to break even here. -1 smashed. Would be taking something off here as well. Hasn't been hit yet though. Yep, taking something off here. Something up here if he gives it to us. 150. Yep, -2. Smashed. So here, I guess we can go a bit better and break even, cover commission. Yeah. 2, 3. Another sell here. You know what you need to do. You know what you need to do. see if 250 macro gives us anything more on this trade. And we're gonna get out here for the PM session. Brilliant PM session. Going to hot yoga for the first time today, so wish me luck, DJ. I'll keep you posted tomorrow how I find it and how it is and stuff. I just assume it's yoga in the sauna, so it will be a break even anyway. It's early as, but we really want to wait until. That would have taken you out of my eyes. Definitely would have taken you out there. Third partial, well, not third partial, -3, -4, getting smashed through. And we're taking, oh, nothing of note here, not lunch or anything. So -4, smashed. In the discount now. I want to use my. Oh, go look. Oh, price action. This PM session has been wonderful. To have been here and witnessed it and watched it and tape read it is just exactly what I needed for the PM session today. So, PM session, open range, sell side as the next fresh liquidity. Yeah. DJ, I'm going to do a trade performance review here and call it an afternoon session because we've seen everything. I've seen everything I want to see. My afternoon session would have been done already, so cool. Understood, understood. I know what I need to do. Just do it. Okay. All right. Just do it. No Nike. Doesn't have to come and take right now anyway. So all right, DJ. What I did well this PM session, okay, is that I showed up. All right, I got 1% better. I gained experience. All right, and learned lessons. All right, I will take into my next trading session. Where I fell short this PM session, didn't really take any trades, nor did I do anything outside of my model. Really and truly, of the trade that I take read was in the model. Okay, so you'll be taking the L here on this buy. I mean, on this buy. So I want to see this keep price lower then. Because of this, it might not come all the way up in here. So let's pay attention. Yeah, don't think I fell short anywhere in this PM session. Really, it was the tape reading session. You can't really fall short on tape reading sessions because you're not really in the market. -5 smash there. Oh, mate. Poor man. One session is nothing. It's nothing compared to where you're gonna be, bruh. It's nothing. All right, smashing open range, sell side. Ba-da-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-bum-bum. How can improve for next day? -7. Yeah. How can improve for next day? Next trading session is See, you didn't even come up into that fair value gap there. That's how strong it was. Just keep doing what I've been doing, okay? Don't let short-term adversity deviate from what got going on. Okay, this PM session just obviously further proved to me, all right, that my model works, all right, and it'll offer me multiple opportunities. All right, I'm gonna take a loss, and that's part of the game. But okay, I'm gonna win more than I'm gonna lose. So yeah, really pretty much just keep following your model, your precision protocols. Um, make mistakes, okay, you're gonna make them, all right, but learn from them. Most important, learn from the mistakes, okay, and don't keep repeating the mistakes you're gonna make. All right, I'm human. All right, I'm gonna make mistakes and I accept it. All right, just don't make it a habit of making the same repetitive mistakes, right? We need some new mistakes. We need some new mistakes. All right, Major Nine. But yeah, so but yeah, other than that, I'm very happy and pleased with my performance today. I'm very happy that I, well, not that I took the PM session off and decided to taper it. I've already hit my one winning trade on one account. Okay, done on that account. Hit my max loss. All right, on which is $500 is my max loss on the day. Okay, hit it, all right, a little bit over it. Okay, it was a little bit more over it before. Managed to crawl a little bit of it back, which was actually not the right thing to do at the time, obviously, because I had already hit that max loss. So anyway, let's not dwell on the morning session. We're getting a beautiful buy set up here. See if it confirms on 15 seconds. Still drawing the macro, so let's see. But yeah, so I'm happy and pleased with myself for sticking to my plan, my procedures, my processes, my protocols. Okay. Once I hit my max loss, that was it for me. I was done trading for the day. So I'm happy that I went into the PM session, didn't take any trades, didn't break any rules. I just to like, um to like not be enticed, I locked out the accounts, okay, for the day because they're done anyway. Trade for tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's a new day. Gonna come back refreshed and ready to go. Sticking to my procedures protocols and not letting outside influence, okay, the real world issues. All right, trying anyway not to bring the real world issues into it because, like, I understand the market is never going to fix my real world problem. So I cannot look for an answer in what's going on outside here in here. Okay, this is something completely different. I need to be treated that way. But yeah, what does sec? Oh, okay. um, 2, 3, 4. Last entry point here on 30 seconds. Boom, confirmed. Last entry point here. 1 minute. Got 30 seconds to confirm this fair value gap here. And this is why I believe I input that rule in place, right? One winning trade per session, you're done. If I didn't take any trade in that morning session, I would have been good to go for PM session with this account, obviously. But that wasn't the case. But lesson well learned. Won't catch me again. All right, cool. Understood. Yeah, you began tagged in this trade here. I'll be paying attention to this trade for the remainder of the PM session. Okay, away from the charts. I'll be doing it on my phone. But other than that, I'm gonna give myself a break for the day. Okay, it's been a brilliant day in front of the markets, learning more about myself. Okay, and how I'm going to, manage myself in these markets. All right, trying not to let outside influence come in. I'm not gonna be perfect every day. All right, but as long as I'm striving, taking small steps in the right direction, which I feel like that today, because I could have easily gone back in. Nobody's here telling me not to do anything, right? It's me. Could have easily just been like, okay, yeah, the model's here. So what if I've hit my max loss? Let's keep pushing it, right? I could have easily done that. And on it, from what we watched this PM session, I would have been profitable, but that's not how I want to be. Okay. I want to master myself, right? I want to get control of myself. So not allowing myself to be like, oh, just because it's me and nobody's here to reprimand me or like say something to me. All right. That's what makes trading really hard, because there's no one here telling you, hey, don't do that, don't get in that trade, you're max loss, don't do it. All right. So I'm very happy and pleased that I came into the PM session, okay, and I showed up. Okay, I could have also not showed up and just taped red on my phone, right? They which would have been a little bit more easier, right? Because I'm not in front of the market. But I showed up anyway, okay, and tried to control myself and just pay attention to the chart. So I'm very happy and pleased with myself today, even though my performance this morning wasn't up to par in my standards, okay. Did a lot of things wrong this morning. It's okay, and I acknowledged it. I take full accountability for it, and all I can do now is just try to learn from it and do better, right? 1% better today, and I'm very happy and pleased with myself today. So, DJ, that's it for me this today. All right, this PM session and today. Okay, let's see what we got going on tomorrow. Tomorrow we have news, all right? We have PPI in the morning, and we also have PM session, medium impact news. So we have news tomorrow, okay, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Why did I just repeat myself? All right, so we got news tomorrow, so we'll be here kicking off we're good to go for the remainder of the week. Really and truly, it's an action-packed week, and I'm excited to get 1% better overall. So yeah, that's it for me this PM session. All right, DJ. Catch you on the flip side tomorrow morning. Yeah, it's pretty much it for me today. Solid day, solid day. I wouldn't change anything for today. All right. I learned from everything that's happened today. I said that was what will make me that 1% better. But anyway, that's it, DJ. I'm the trader. Signing out. Good luck, good trading. Happy hunting.